Today we're gonna be working on Leetcode question number 86, partition list. Given the head of a linked list and a value x, partition it such that all nodes less than x come before nodes greater than or equal to x. You should preserve the original relative order of the nodes in each of the two partitions. So if we have got 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, after this, and the 3 is the one where we need to partition, so 3 and anything greater than 3 is gonna move to the right. So basically we're gonna have all the nodes in the same sequence, so we're gonna move them to 1, 2, 2, and then anything greater than or equal to 4 is gonna be moved to the right side. So we have to partition them between left and the right. So in order to do that, what we're gonna be doing is create some dummy nodes. So one node we can call it dummy less. That's gonna be new less node. Then we can have a constant dummy more. Okay, and then we're gonna have some nodes in order to traverse. So one is the node which is gonna be equal to the head. Then we're gonna have another one less which is gonna be equal to the dummy less, and one is gonna be dummy let more which is gonna be equal to dummy more. Now while we have the node, like basically while the node is not equal to null, so while the node is not equal to null, what we're gonna be doing is like we're gonna check every single time if the node dot value is less than that x. If that is the case, we have to increment the less, which is gonna be equal to less dot next is gonna be equal to that node, and then less is gonna be equal to less dot next. Otherwise we're gonna increment the more, so more dot next is gonna be equal to node, and more is gonna be equal to more dot next, and in any case we're gonna increment the node equal to node dot next. And in the end, once we are out of it, we wanna make sure that less dot next is equal to dummy more dot next, because we have to combine these two sequences, and the more dot next is gonna become equal to null. So now we are actually combining those two splitted sections, and in the end we're gonna be returning the dummy less dot next.